Hello, this is my week 3 project for data structures and algorithms. I have two files. Words.txt, that's this, and application.java. In my main method, printing my name, certifying that it's my own work. I am creating a scanner object that loads in these strings from a file. I'm adding it to a string array list called list. Then I am looping through each one. I'm doing a bucket sort. Then print out the result of the sorting on the particular radix. Okay, here's my bucket sort method. I'm creating an array of array lists. So each item in the array is an array list of strings. I chose because you can dynamically add, modify, and remove elements. This will maintain the order that they are added as well. Let's run it. This is the output, exactly what was supposed to be there per instructions. Thank you.